lost a little less than you thought you would. You call that news, you think that's good. You face one trial, was misunderstood. Honey, that's a story for the neighborhood. You put a single coin inside a digital vault. Now you're looking at me like it's all my fault. Ha! You must be new to this game, 'cause every time the ending is the same. Go on and fly, baby, reach for the stars. Go tell your story in a million bars. But there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so don't you even try. Oh, gravity,
pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. All the believers, they're holding on tight, staring at the green with all of their might. Your chart looks like a supernova in the sky, a beautiful explosion, but we all know why. It's the final flash before it fades to black. A one-way ticket and there's no coming back. No, don't lie, baby, put on a show. Go on and glow, baby, everybody knows that there's a force down here you just can't deny. No, you can't escape it, so wave it on goodbye. Oh, gravity,
Pulling you down.
oh, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. Now you can call it physics, you can call it fate, you can call it the market, setting things straight. But I just call it common sense, a universal truth. From a 100-year-old man to a kid in his youth. What goes up is coming back down, so let's get it now. Gravity,
Pulling you down.
sing it, gravity.
Back to the solid ground.
You can pump it on the rumors, you can pump it on the hype, but you can't escape the law. You're just not the type. Everything that flies that high, yeah, it's gotta come down. What goes up?
Must come down.
Yeah, what goes up?
Must come down.
Oh, I feel it pulling down, 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 down. Oh, that sweet, sweet gravity.
Alright, place your bets, folks. I already know my hand. They're going all in on a pocket full of air, a flashy press release and a wing and a prayer. Think they got a royal flush, a can't miss thing, pushing that stock up, listen to the choir sing. But I'm on my second beer, ain't even worried none. This high stakes gamble's already been won. Go on and push your chips, I kinda love the show. Higher and higher, baby, let the good times roll. But every party's got an end, and when the music's thin, that's when they all realize the trouble they're in. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south and starts to slip and slide, that's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. Everybody's scared of seeing red on the screen. To me that color's the prettiest I've ever seen. 'Cause I don't need a rocket, I don't need a peak, is a company that's looking weak. The lower that it goes, the bigger that I grin, watching all my pretty little winnings rolling in. Go on and cheer it on, I wanna see the height. Yeah, light it up, baby, make it burn real bright. Cause the brighter that it burns, the faster it'll fade. And that's the foundation of the trades I've made. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south, it starts to slip and slide. That's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. Watch it go low, now that's my kind of show. It ain't about the glory, it ain't about the fame. It's about knowing the rules to a different kind of game. While they're all looking up, my eyes are looking down. Cause that's where the real treasure in this town is found. They can be the masters of the moonshot trip, but I'm the one and only, yeah, the king of the dip. When the chart turns south, it starts to slip and slide. That's when I hop on board and I enjoy the ride. King of the dip, yeah, they can have the peak. I'll take the valley every time.
Alright fellas, you know the steps. Ha, let's get it. 6 a.m. the coffee's hot and brewing. Scanner's light is cutting through the ruin. Found the one, that diamond in the rough. We're starting a crypto treasury. Ain't that funny stuff? They're buying in, they think they struck some gold. About to watch the greatest story ever sold. The volume's pumping so loud and clear, but I hear a different rhythm in my ear. And oh, I see it climbing, what a scene. 1,000 buyers glued up to the screen. But I ain't sweating, nah, I'm cool and calm. Cause the DJ's about to play my favorite song. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. The fade away funk. The FOMO's kick and see 'em lose their heads. Believe in every single word that's said. Our earnings call a wild success. It just means the company's a slightly smaller mess. I find my entry clean and so precise. Don't have to think it over, don't have to check it twice. Cause I've seen this movie, baby, and I know the end. Here comes the final scene, my friend. Oh, I see it topping out, what a view. The panic setting in for the whole darn crew. But I ain't selling, baby, I'm just getting warm. Cause this is just the quiet before the storm. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Oh yeah, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Some people call it gambling, say it's just a guess. But this ain't random, baby, this is chess. It's a rhythm, it's a beat that I can feel. The pump is the illusion, but the fade is real. They do the chase, I do the fade away funk. Come on, betting on that garbage, that beautiful junk. Let 'em run it up, up, up to the sun. I'll be waiting at the top just to have my fun. Dancing on the way back down till the day is done. Oh, the fade away, funky bassline and harsh come down, down, down. Yeah, that's the one, just like that. The fade away funk.
Good morning, Green Team. How was the weekend, guys? I'm excited to be back with you. Just twiddling the thumbs over the weekend. You guys know how it is. Us DGen traders waiting for this Money Monday to get here. I'm excited to be back with you guys. And it looks like there's some traders excited to be trading this morning too, Doug, on that SPRB. That's just going straight up right now. $8 close, 882 close up towards 30 right now. But Doug, I appreciate you sending over that Friday night live stream over on Reddit. Very good. Yeah, the dopamine effect was interesting that we were discussing on Friday night. Some good info there. That was a fun Friday night live stream. It was Fades, Byron, and Dr. B on, and just talking trading. I love that. I love after a week of hard work, good green week, that we get to just sit down and discuss kind of what we're going through. I think it's good. I mean, it's like a little AA meeting. It's a little AA meeting. I love it. I certainly need it as well. But yeah, SPRB certainly one. I'm going to be looking at today, day one here, as it pops over 30. SPRB, 333,000 in the float. Rotated all of that. Massive spike right now, guys. Whew, be careful here. All right, 8 a.m. they came out with some news. They received U.S. FDA breakthrough therapy designation for transaminase alpha enzyme replacement therapy and Sanfilippo syndrome type B. So breakthrough therapy designation. Okay. Demonstrating normalization in cerebral spinal fluid. Okay. Longs are bored trying to catch anything going up. Yep. Normally, longs take longer, but not on these low float plays such as SPRB with the 333,000 in the float. 37.60. Yikes. With the funded account, guys, I've been focusing on like the backside hangovers. If I trade something like this, it is tiny. It's so tiny. And it worked fairly well on Friday. I did take, it was like EPSM. That thing shot up to resistance 35, took a little short there and was able to, pad the wallet. It was like a $50 trade, something along those lines. But it was, I'm not going heavy on these names on the funded account because trying to get a payout going here. So it's easier for me to manage risk on some of the backside plays. Speaking of which, let's go ahead and dive into them. I'm going to add the scene and start flipping through some tickers. Well, we got Fades is in the wings. Let's bring him on. How we doing, Mr. Fades?
What's going on, y'all? Good morning.
Doug was just speaking on like the Friday night live stream how he never had. We were talking about the dopamine effect even on losing trades. It was very interesting.
Oh my god, yeah, dude, I got so into that live stream, but I was hungover from hell the next day, guys. I got so hyped hanging out with the crew. Oh my god, it was so bad. I felt so bad the next day. How'd y'all let me drink that many beers?
You were down on them, dude.
Yeah.
It was a fun night. Dude, we were on there so late. It was like 1 o'clock, and then I don't know if you remember. I can't remember if this was on stream or post because we were just chatting a little bit afterwards. But I heard that I heard that spoon smack the counter. I was dying, dude. I was dying.
My girl didn't know we were gonna be on stream for like 3-4 hours. She was a little upset, but we talked it out. We got it.
Oh my god, that was too funny.
She's gotta give me a break, man. I don't get to let it out with a group of traders like this, man. This is awesome. It's just great therapy for me. So.
It is truly. It was I was telling them like, dude, after a week of trading, like just kicking back with the team and chatting, and it's like a little AA meeting, right? Except we're drinking at this AA meeting.
Yeah, I was gonna introduce myself. I'm Fades, and I'm an alcoholic. My white chip this weekend, guys.
That's too funny.
Oh man.
Yeah. So you call a play this morning? I want to flip through some of these tickers as well.
Yeah.
CRML.
I thought you might not have been there, and it was kind of like a right then. Alert.
You alerted that.
Pretty much traded right after that. It was real weak. Yeah, that was a beautiful trade. I took that on the funded and the eval this morning. So up nice and green. just sitting back now. SLNH. I like the look of SLNH for the hangover. Let me see here. Let me pull it up.
Yeah. Yep. SLNH is it's a pretty
Mondays
good one.
Mondays for hangovers can be a little tricky. Like I told you, I tinkered and overnighted some of the hangover plays, but seems like from Friday to Monday, sometimes we don't do as much follow through. So we just got to kind of see how they react at Bell once the volume starts to come in.
I got 3 hangovers I like a lot. I'm tempted to
Okay.
just throw a position on. SYTA is one of them, which Dr. B was talking about on Friday night, if you remember that. Yeah, SYTA is just sitting right under resistance from Friday. Clear levels there. And then GIPR, very interesting. This is a penny play on Thursday, 85 cents, sitting at $1.60 right now. And the third one is it ANRO? Yeah, ANRO. ANRO is pretty good.
Okay, I didn't have any of those on my watch list. Interesting. ANRO. Okay.
Yeah, take a look, dude. It's juicy. Hey, you'll like ANRO because that one's percentage-wise is up a decent chunk. Yep, ANRO, GIPR, and SYTA. Those 3 hangovers I'm watching pretty closely.
Okay. D-Fly, man. Short subject.
I was at the damn Texas Roadhouse while that was happening.
Man.
Just stuffing myself with all those freaking rolls while D-Fly's selling off.
Yeah, that one was definitely the king of the day on the backside, down 30% right now. Wow.
I still like it, D-Fly. If it's backside from here on, dude, we got room down.
EPSM is another one worth noting. There's no volume right now. 3K volume for the whole day. But that chart is very interesting. But also, I zoomed down on the chart on the larger time frame. It's a little sketchy. So it's not like a top play, but it's something that could be presenting something for us.
We have clear 30 risk there. If it starts popping up towards 30, a bunch of upper wicks there.
Yeah. And then Benef is another one that could have room. BNF.
Yep. She's still looking heavy against 110. I like it.
Yeah. What about Pep G? How's Pep G doing? That's another one.
Yeah, that's a good ticker to bring up. I mean, I looked at it this morning. It's kind of losing my interest a little bit until it gets under 450. I mean, because it's just been going sideways against that level. Of course, I still like it, but it's just not getting bearish. And it did that offering at $3.20, I think, $3.20.
There's so many tickers to look at. If it's just not showing us some kind of sign, right? James mentioned SPRB. We can't trade that, but that's the king of the day. It's not showing up on TTP though.
Yeah, SPRB, man. It's probably a good thing. I don't think I was going to trade that anyways. I mean, maybe we can email them, and so we'll have it for tomorrow because we certainly want to have this one on day 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Maybe they'll let us trade it tomorrow. It'd be cool.
SOPA is another one. You saw that one up this morning? Yeah. What are your thoughts there?
It's the king of the day right now, so I'm just I haven't gave it too much attention right now, but it's grinding, it's holding. I mean, I look at the top gainers and see if I see something worth shorting. CRML looked great, so I wrote that down, but SOPA felt like the grinder, and that's kind of what it's doing. It's grinding right now, so it's on a nice uptrend right now. King of the day vibes.
You think CRML is going to give another entry? I mean, metal play, but it's kind of popping off of its 1050 lows. It's up a point off of its.
Okay, yeah. I told myself I had a really good trade on it. I took the predictable piece.
You're not gonna, yeah.
That's kind of my thoughts on it. I mean, it still has some room, probably to maybe 8 or 9, but I think the predictable pieces probably came off. I mean, it could be a good fade though, like that sloppy seconds, maybe a 12 pop or something, and then hit it.
Yeah, I like 1250 there.
So that could definitely be a trade. See what else we got. Leap Therapeutics is the third king of the day. James said it might give it back.
Your wolf is still not looking terrible.
Yeah, that thing is just.
It's kind of like Pep G. Look what it's doing.
I think
It's like
Wolf is gonna
it's
fade
tasty.
that. Yeah, I'm still.
Look.
I might take a little bit of Wolf. Let me see how it's looking because if it's back under 25,
It's back under 25. We see the clear level here. It needs to get under
30K
like
volume. Yeah,
There's a clear level there. It needs to get under like 20. If it holds heavy in the 22s and 21s, it's probably fading.
yeah, for sure. That's one worth a lot of watch. It's probably still gonna have to be about one of my top watches on the day, just because it's up so much. Whatever they did, however they scammed shareholders, like on paper, that stock has gone up 1,500% in like a week or something. So there's something there.
Yeah.
Coin also had mentioned that he was looking to get in at like 17 or something. So that could be our reverse price target, right? Like short it and then look to cover it at 15, 18.
How do you remember that? You were like 10 beers in at that point.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh my god, dude, never again. I don't want to see Shock Top again, bro. What'd you guys do to me, man? I was just hyped up.
That was awesome.
I woke up holding the bag the next morning. A bag holding audition.
Oh man.
So yeah, next Friday it's gonna be tea for me, guys.
Hard tea.
Yeah. From Kava.
Exactly. The Long Island, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
All right, I'm throwing everything on the funded watch list right now. Perfect Fall. Good morning, DJ and James. Uzo in the building. How you guys doing? Good weekend. So, if you weren't in here, I got 3 hangovers I'm mainly watching out of the gates. It's gonna be SYTA. If it wasn't spready on TP, I would probably start it right now. Yeah, SYTA ANRO is interesting. ANRO I like against pretty much like if it starts climbing over 750, I don't like that. I kind of want it to stay heavy under and get under the previous close. And then GIPR. GIPR is hanging below its open or the high day, previous high day and previous close, 165. GIPR, I like that one quite a bit too. And then D-Fly, I feels like D-Fly is on backside now, so that one's going to have to be tight if I trade it, but probably like 165. You like this level? Right there, like 165.
Yeah, maybe a sloppy pop bag holder audition at Bell, hopefully. Maybe hit it. That thing was just so annoying, man. That was an annoying picture. Yeah, can't win them all. As long as we protect what we got, keep it pushing.
Right. So what's your main watch out of the gates? I know you're looking at Wolf and what else?
So ASNS, that's my only swing still from this past weekend. I'm in at 63. I need my 10 cents. So I'm just sitting there on a decent position. Hopefully it's not going to get me love at Bell and just fade out.
I mean, that's a hangover, really, too. I'd be concerned.
Yeah, it's just cheaper, so it's hard to get that 10 cents. But I love the chart. Like, there was so much resistance Friday, dude. Like, that was probably my favorite swing. And it almost gave me the 10 cents, but it hasn't quite. I'm up like 8 cents on it now, so it's like. So I'm sitting back with that one. SLNH, I really like that hangover. I also swung that one into the weekend. I covered it like 1.8 something early this morning for a major profit, and now I smacked it, and I'm back in it now.
Yeah, I like the 250 risk there. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I just have 400 shares right now. My stop's like a little over 2 threes. Just because after it washed out all that way, I don't want to see it reclaim all the way back to like, even 2-3 to be honest. So that one has a lot of meat. It's still up like 400% over the past like week or two.
I even like this 222 level. I mean, the previous close here.
Yeah,
Right. Real,
I'm
real.
saying SLNH feels real good. Like it feels like one of our bread and butter textbooks. Like we had that wash. We washed from 2.3 to 1.8, right? And now we've reclaimed that 50% level, and it's getting slow. And it's like, are we going to reclaim all of that and find strength, or is probably more so done and needs to fade, right? So I'm like an SLNH. I'm in small. Did anyone catch lead? Oh my god! Wait. Oh no, I thought they did an offering. No, they didn't. What is Leap Therapeutics looking like? Is it already ran? Is it fading? 70%. Oh my god! It spiked to $3 this morning. Holy!
Yeah, I don't like the spreads are a little wild here. I don't know if they just once the market opens, they tighten up a little bit more.
I'm not
We'll see.
interested in Leap after that move, but yeah, that was a great. If somehow you caught that and shorted it on somehow on that wick or like in the dollar high ones, mid ones, good trade. But at this point, Leap, I don't know. I don't know what else there is to trade or to get there.
Dude, that leap move. Oh my god, what a
You saw it?
disgusting. No, well, I saw it, but I didn't know what they did until I just looked at the news. They literally at 9. Oh, dude, this is
They offered on
disgusting.
news?
They offering right after news, like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. They came out with private
Could
placement
still
from
be
a
a
company.
short. If you manage risk tight, it could still be a short, guys. With
Dude,
that
that
type of
is
nature of the news.
nasty. Yeah.
After that wick and stuff, I'm probably gonna just sit back and not worry about it. But it could be like a hyper scalper short from here too. Damn, that's brutal, dude. Give me 1 sec.
CRML creeping back up. Yeah, that one could give another entry. You and Fades caught that one. Perfect fall. It's a good setup. Could get another entry on it. I mean, really, this one, I like these kind of charts because it shouldn't really interest many longs. This, the chart here. That's not a chart that's going to get longs excited. So likely we stay heavy. Some metals play. They did a private placement as well, raising $35 million. So I like the 1250-ish. I mean, risk. If we popped up there, that would be lovely to get involved more so. All right, we got about 10 minutes. Fades, what you looking at? Anything else, or are we good? CRML popping up a
Chilling,
little
man.
bit. Just chilling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
CRML paid me really good, dude. Like I'm like that was pretty much Q on the day just off that one trade, and that's the power of pre-market and a good setup, guys. It really is. So now I'm just kicking back. Like I said, I have ASNS and SLNH hangovers going into Bell.
ARBK, little penny play popping up right now. 43 to 57. Blockchain. MOBX. Yeah, I'll keep the eyes on the scanners. Normally Monday morning, like you get some random pops. This SOPA feels heavy. I know it was like the leading play. It is on earnings too, but honestly, that the CRML I kind of like backside because even though this one did just sell off a lot, I don't think longs are going to be interested in jumping on this name, dude. After how weak this chart looks.
Yeah, that chart, I love that look on that chart. Like that big wick down, And then I didn't see it until it reclaimed back to like what's that 15, 14 something level.
Yeah.
Once it broke 14s again, I got involved, and that was just such an easy trade. I love when pre-market faders work that well, dude. Like that's where a lot of money can be made. Trades like that.
If it pops up towards 12, I'm gonna get involved there.
Yeah, yeah, that's one worth watching. It's still at 40 something percent, but like you said, it's like all the bulls just got annihilated, so they're all scared, and there shouldn't be much momentum going forward. ASNS is going to be really painful if it comes back above my entry at Bell. I wasn't able to get my 10 cents, but that's just how it goes sometimes with these cheap stuff. So I got to set my stop there. I still have my stop.
MG in the building. What's going on, MG? Yeah, so SYTA, I'd love to hit it right now. I don't know, considering it. 10 minutes until the bell, SYTA hangover, ANRO hangover, ANRO, and GIPR.
Yeah, it's just tricky, man. Like
Tricky.
Bell, Monday morning Bell trading. Buckle up.
Oh, look at this, like, GIPR chart. This thing is like 180 is a ceiling here.
Interesting. GIPR, what's the fundamentals there? We got the random pump. It's a cheaper stock, which we like. When we talk about the Warriors don't have as much leverage to send it to the moon.
Speaking of the Warriors, they're on SPRB, of course. I mean, that's where all the low float chats are going to be. So not
We can't even
surprising.
trade it on Trade the Pool, so that's maybe a good thing for us. It might save some people from blowups.
Right. Yeah.
Truthfully. Yeah, SLNH, man, I'm a big fan of this one. I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, like I swung like 5 or 6 shorts into the weekend, small size, leveraging our stock, and SLNH paid me like $200 this morning on a cover on not even that much size. So,
Did you have an order out?
It's reclaimed to another good short entry level. Like you said, even like 2.2, like 2.3, 2.4. I definitely don't want to see it over 2.4. So that's definitely a good one. It wicked all the way to 179 earlier this morning, so it could give all that up more today during market hours. So just definitely keep an eye on SLNH. I have 400 shares right now going and I'm working funded right now with that. I might shift to my 50K eval for market hours, but like trying to take the hangovers is very hard on a eval. Especially like pre-market with the volume and stuff, it's tricky.
Right. Yeah.
So I got both pulled up. Yeah.
God.
PRML is tempting, man. It's tempting to just get involved here small and for the continued fade. I mean, how much can it reclaim? But it's up less than 50% now, so let me not get too ambitious. Like if anything, very small size there, like a leftover position to continue working that fade. Right?
I want to smack these hangovers so bad, but yeah, I hate like, because I know it's like one of them, one or two of them is probably just going to dump right out of the gates. I'm going to be pissed off about it, but
they might pop 5% before that and wick you out. That's the annoying thing about them.
Yeah.
Like even at 4 a.m. this morning, like a couple of the backside plays I took, like some of them like wick out at the opening, right? And like stop, hunt, and then like continue their move. So it can be annoying.
ARBK is continuing higher. That was that penny play I just brought up.
If ASNS comes back up like to the 60s, like that could give an entry. It's kind of grindy, but there's a ton of resistance at like 60, like mid 6s. So that's an interesting trade. My average is 63. I don't necessarily want to hit it again, but if it comes close to that and looks good, I'll probably add to it with just like a tight risk at like 6.7, 6.8, like that.
Okay.
CRML kind of selling. Yeah, very cautious at Bell, guys.
I think we got a good watch list going though.
Yeah.
And then if D Fly pops up again to like 150, I want to be all over that too. Look at the CIGL chart. Yeah, we were watching this on Friday. You remember CIGL? I mean, this one could stay heavy, like against 420.
Yeah,
Keep
that's the
fading.
true one,
Very slow.
right? Mm-hmm.
And then,
420.
mm-hmm.
420
Yep.
looks pretty good. I'll throw it down. I don't want to forget about Wolf.
Yeah, I don't either. Or Tasha.
That one could be an elevator watch, like Wolf low key. I've been saying that though, and it's been annoying. So
Yeah, I think just size and small, giving it the appropriate risk.
right, right, not over convicting. Yeah, because I kind of did that. I oversized a little bit and gave it up with it, and it was just silly.
You were looking at it like BTTC, which BTTC was awesome. I mean, that thing.
Yeah, I had that same feeling, and I still think like eventually it's gonna fade. Like even like we talked about, even like to a long price target, like sweep under 20 or something. But I don't see how people are gonna keep buying that thing up when everyone goes on the board and every investor saying how they just got screwed. Right? It's like how are bulls going to continue to want to support that stock? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
So that's probably one of my main focuses. Wolf, SLNH, ASNS.
This Pally has been piquing my interest because they did like $1.20 or 30 like offering, and that's still climbing high.
Right? Yeah, that was my biggest.
No, it's 70 cents. They did the offering at 70 cents.
Yeah, I tried to swing it short over the weekend. That was like my biggest.
Uh,
But like I said, I was just trying something out, leveraging the stops, like having a mixed bag of small size of some of these backside plays and see how it worked. And like half of them didn't, break even. Scrap.
And the stops all worked very well.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I think like during a weekday it would be more optimal though, like we talked about, because the weekend's just a little more choppy and into Monday and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more manipulation and wicks, but like you really see that follow through during the week with some of these big faders, right? I mean, we see it every day. Like you say, it's like you're worried about smacking it before bell. Well, if you got involved at a good level and you just swing it into the next day, you don't have to worry about that. You're already sitting in it. Your stop's there. You can adjust your stops down. It's a different style. It is a little risky, but like with certain plays dynamically, you can really work it that way.
Mr. Falcon in the building. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, guys. 3 minutes.
Yeah, so I think what's your favorite backside play right now, if you had to say? It's kind of hard to morning, right? Before bell.
Probably GIPR.
Okay.
Just because of the overhead resistance there. But I'm not going to... I'm going to size them all the same.
What is that spread? 152, 175 spread?
That's not. It's not accurate. Thinkorswim's 156, 162.
That's what sucks though, because like literally, bro, trade the pool spread 152, 175. Like that's why I love using Webull personally, so I don't get screwed over when I'm looking at the wrong data.
Yeah, I like monitoring it. Yes, the 3-cent spread with Thinkorswim, but I think when the market opens up, it's going to tighten up.
Clear up. Yeah, it'll fix itself a little bit for sure.
So,
out
of the gates,
a lot of sellers, guys, seeing some sell orders at 218, 22. It's worth noting.
Yeah, 2.2's holding up real well there. Out of the gates, going to be watching those 3 hangovers, and I'm sizing them equally. ANRO, if I'm not chasing, though, ANRO, GIPR, SYTA. Any pop, essentially, I'm getting involved. Snaps, probably not going to hit them.
ASNS, you piglet. I hate when they almost give me 10 cents and then crow around. Very
And then Wolf, dude, I might like stab small at that one because it's right on support. Like if it cracks under, we might be heading lower.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Doug, getting in and out. I mean, that's an in and out ticker.
What's
Like
that?
the in and out burger, the in and out ticker of the day is that it's the SPRB.
Oh,
And
okay. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, trade the pool were limited, which again, probably not a bad thing for most. Probably not a bad thing for even me and you.
it really is. I didn't think I was going to trade any. I'd like to be able to trade it tomorrow, though.
Yeah, and we probably will. Or write support and tell them to get it going.
Yeah, I'll do that after the stream. Just email support and see if they can get that live. Here we go. Here we go. It's party time, green team. Let's start this week on a green note. About 10 seconds.
SLNH. I want to take it on my 50K, but I gotta be careful to size it too much in this volume reel. So I'm like, eyes are peeled on that. ASNS, you better hold up, you piglet.
Market's open. Let's get it.
SLNH, big volume at the bell, guys. SLNH. Big seller stepped in right at bell. Big bid at 2. See if it wipes. Remember, they flushed this thing to 1.8 first thing like this morning, so that was kind of also telling, right? Had that reclaim that we talked about. Went ahead and smacked a little bit on my eval as well. I'm ending my funded, swinging on my funded. BQ dumping at bell, guys. BQ down 14%. Looks like it's probably halted, doesn't it? BQ is not halted. Oh my god. Dude, $2.20 spread at bell. Like, what is this trade? Do better, man. Do better. Like, that's untradeable. Might take it off the watch list. It's only got 194 shares in volume. What?
CRML's popping up towards 12.
SLNH so far so good. BNF a little bit lower. Cheaper play, but 10 cents could be problematic there.
I'm hitting CRML against 12.
Tempting, man. Just be careful. You know, this Wiki Monday market.
1255 ish. I
I
don't
like
want
it
it
for
back
a
over
small stab
1250s.
here. Yeah, I like it for a small stab here. I'm with you.
1255. Stop.
Stabbing it on the eval. 100 shares on the eval. CRML. SLNH coming back a little bit here. Stop's going to be 233. ASNS kind of slow.
Yeah, CRML, I don't. It's going nuts, so bid and ask. Feels like it's going to wick me out. Probably should have give it a little bit more risk. But I'm going to keep it kind of tight.
Which one?
CRML just feels like I'm going to get wicked out of it. It's getting kind of wicky.
Yeah, it's kind of that. Just go small size on it. At Bell. Got to. There's really no way around it. SLNH. I like this. I like this for bigger picture, guys. It came from 40 cents, like Treasury pump theme, weak. The hype's gone. Scaling a little bit. GIPR kind of churning. Yeah, SLNH, man. I got a call.
Oh, we lost fades. Yeah, CRML is getting close, to stopping me out. It's right up there.
SLNH dumpers continue.
SLNH dumping. SYTA, the hangover's working out.
Okay, cool.
I just got stopped out. I didn't take it though. Stopped out of CRML for now. It's actually a good entry right there.
EPSM is kind of selling off a little bit, guys. Might be worth getting in small there. The chart was like funky looking.
SPRB I think, halted down, dude. SOPA's heavy. SOPA's heavy.
SPRB, it sucks, but we can't touch it. Good. Alright, baby. I love you.
ANRO looking kind of heavy. That was yet Friday's play. That one's spready is the problem with it.
Which one is that, bro?
ANRO.
GIPR, big seller at 165. Could be the level to get involved there. How's it looking? GIPR, you said you like that one.
Yeah, I do like it. I'm going to get involved in ANRO, 720s. 780s stop. And then GIPR. Yeah, it is looking very heavy. Is it?
SLNH, I really love this trade, guys.
I just have a nasty spread on GIPR.
Right. Yeah. There was an entry. The bid was 1.6, and that had that. There's a wall at 1.65.
Your SLNH is working.
So that spreads suck, man. But that also means that it could give it up like 10, 20 cents pretty quickly. So
SOPA's looking heavy. Right now, just ANRO is what I'm involved with.
SNS, it's like, do I want to get greedy in sizes now that it came almost back to my average?
CRML UPOS thing popping all the way back up towards 13.
Yeah.
SPRB still halted down. Oh, SPRB just opened up for those that are playing this wiki action. SOPA bounced off of the VWAP. All right. I mean, 330s is kind of good there now.
Gipper. Let me look at Gipper. You said that was your favorite one. Let me do a little more deep dive here. Gipper.
Gipper now against like 170 is pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it came straight from 85 cents. Gipper.
I'm gonna get involved with it. I don't really like my entry, but I'm gonna get involved with it.
Gipper?
Yeah, against 170. Tight there, but
25K volume. The seller at 165 is not 1.6, so yeah, that one's tempting, man. It's very low volume, spready, which is a little sketchy, but
I could see it in like the 1.3s, 4s in a day. It's like one of those kind of plays.
SLMT was one on my watch list, down 10% now. Just dumped, actually. SLMT.
Okay. That was an IPO Friday.
Okay, was it? Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. Plug. Good job there. It was going down to 420. See if 420 holds up. I got that as a line, the past chart history. SPRB, I think, just halted up. Yeah, 39.
SLMT is interesting.
SOPA still heavy. It's on VWAP SOPA, but 320s is not bad. I mean, I know this was like the king of day, but dude, I mean, this thing is not trading like it.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yep, cracking under VWAP right now. SOPA. Oh, damn, dude. Two 90s.
Did she just fade?
SOPA, yeah, it's cracked under VWAP.
Is it time to chase it on an eval? Is it time, guys? Is it time to get on the 50K and hammer it?
I mean, I'm interested against the 320s for sure, but
Because those are the time of trades I have to trade on the eval, right? Like, I'm not worried about volume. Like, unfortunately, you kind of have to adjust your strategy. Yeah, that's a key. 2.8. I'm seeing 2.8. Like, it. 2 would be the
Wolf.
confirmation.
Don't forget about Wolf.
What's it doing?
It snapped kind of from the 25s.
Uh,
It's at a key level, dude, right here. It's a really
I think
key
I'm gonna have
level.
to take a small size here. Yeah,
Same.
Yeah, I'm in. I gotta take some, dude. I like this trade. It's spready, so just don't scale it too much at once. But yeah, I've been calling this trade.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it too. This is a key level for it, so
Yes, and you piece of shit, man. I hate that. I was one
what?
penny away from getting my cover, and now it reclaimed all the way back. I'm in so big, I got to cover now because now I'm gonna start losing money if it goes anymore. So annoying.
Wolf up towards 26. I'll be out of it. Just FYI. Pretty much towards the highs there. It's at a key level. I'll highlight that chart, WLF. This is a key level for it. It's right at this support line, like right on 24. If it cracks under, we got room down towards 20-ish.
Yep.
20-ish or lower.
Yeah, I'm in small there, small starter and Wolf. Because I do like that trade. I'm just not going to get over biased and fall in love with it. SLNH, my darling of the day, guys.
Yeah, you've been on top of that one. The 220 was really good. Regretful there. Good work.
I had insider knowledge because I shorted it over the weekend, so I was able to study the price action. GIPR, interesting here. It's slow. The sellers are lining up at 1.6. I might pull that heavy smack with a tight risk, right or right out.
I
Like
know.
at 1.58, stop at 1.61, just go heavy and look for the.
I know. I like it. Yep,
I'm gonna take
GIPR on there.
I'm gonna try that.
I'm with you on it. I'm in 3 right now. They're kind of slow, but kicking back with them.
Yeah, SLNH, Wolf, and Gipper now. I literally just put my stop at 161 on Gipper because there's been a wall sitting there now, and I'm in kind of heavy, so I'm just looking for that continued fade. That's like my idea. Not
I
sure.
like it. Yep.
SLNH under 2, just kind of trickling lower. Love to see that. Let's see anything on the scanner that's popping off. SPRB, like they said.
Yeah, a few. I mean, CRML still climbing, so that was a good stop there.
SOPA, maybe the herd will leave that. That's definitely one worth watching. SOPA.
Oh, Hive. There are a few like reputable companies that are spiking up, but we don't trade those.
Yeah.
Need the trash. Hive has been in a crazy uptrend again. A spike this morning, 480s to 520. Digital, you know, a lot of quantum AI.
Mm-hmm. Yes, shit.
Yeah, we need trash. We need trash to trade. This SOPA coming back up towards VWAP. I am very curious what it's going to do against 320. I mean, I like that line on SOPA.
Yeah. I think SOPA might be interesting here to get involved. Like that 50% level off the washout candle. Let me see here, man. But it also is holding that key level. So this could just be the bulls just dip buying it up now.
Yeah, they had earnings as well, SOPA. They're up quite a bit. Report strong second quarter revenue growth, 46% year on year.
Okay. Yeah, so that's kind of not the best news for short.
Yes.
BNF slowly starting to give it up.
Wolf is Wolf is at a key level. Like Wolf is under that 24 now. It's at a key level.
Okay. Yeah, dude, Wolf is at a key level, man. That thing, it might be the day for that thing, guys. It really might.
I'm gonna go ahead and take, I think, SYTA as well, because that chart's looking pretty good. It's kind of spready though.
Looks like I'm getting stopped out of Gipper. The wall was bought up or pulled, so they're still churning there.
Yeah, Wolf would be nice to size into. It's working out great right now. But again, like I'm getting a little. I don't know if these are the real spreads or not, but they're not looking great.
It's almost $1 spread, dude. Like,
Okay.
yeah. This thing came from $1, dude. On like a scam reverse split. So, like I said, I mean, I know Coin had a bull case for it, but like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. Something ain't right. And the longs are, the longs are thinking that right now. Something ain't right. And that's exactly where we want to be.
Yeah, Uzo, I did see IREN. That was like a larger cap play. Spike straight up, pulling back some. Good work there on the profit taking. CRML looks like it'll. I mean, I don't know, dude. I might try CRML again. I don't see this one climbing up towards 16 or 15. I took 1L on it. I'm thinking about it, Fade, CRML. Like another re-entry. Just one more stab at it.
Look at that wolf manipulation, dude. Now,
Did
a
it-
ton of buyers hitting the wall at 20. What the heck? Wait, what's going on right now, dude? This thing just got a ton of volume. Wolf. Are you seeing this?
My level 2 like froze when I looked at it.
ASNS also just got a ton of volume. What the heck? Is something going on here? Now SLNH is getting a ton of volume. Am I glitched or something, guys? I'm seeing all these orders go through now. SLNH, major orders going through, guys. What is all this volume? What the heck? Are you seeing this? I mean, I'm looking at time and sales and order book. Like, that's what I have pulled up. So I'm seeing the live feed. Like, that was so weird. Wolf just got because usually that'll happen at like an hour or like 9:30, but like at 9:46 to have like a random influx of volume.
Did you guys have that too, KD? What broker are you guys with? Yeah, that I was kind of in a analysis by paralysis.
You saw
Yeah,
that too, guys? That was so weird. It wasn't even on just one ticker. It was like multiple tickers we were playing.
yeah.
And now
Yeah,
they're like, they kind of had a relief bounce on that volume, but now they're lower than they were initially. What the hell?
It blacked out. Perfect Fall just got locked out of his eval.
What the hell? Oh my god, dude. You can't make it up. And then Gipper somehow hasn't stopped me out yet at 161. The spread was the ask was like 167. It still hasn't stopped me out. Hopefully it fills me at 161 and not friggin' 17.
Dude, you're gonna get a terrible fill there.
I hope I don't.
Doug's had Weeble blank out a few times. Yeah, blanked out here. Perfect Fall. Can't even trade.
Gipper.
Yeah, Gipper is.
Gipper off that 17 is key though.
Gipper's tough, dude, with that 7-cent spread on. Because I kind of sized it too.
Yeah,
CRM.
I just got to fill at 164 to cover. Yeah.
Well, how do you get a 164 fill?
I had my stop at 161. Remember on that do ride or ride out idea with the that wall. So I took a little L there. It's fine. I'm fine with the risk reward because it's like if it would have worked out, it would have made a lot. Took a paper cut otherwise. SLNH guys, you sweet, sweet, beautiful thing.
Message them.
Come to 1.5. Come to 1.5. Come to Papa.
Perfect Fall. Message them real quick on either the live chat or help desk, the email.
James called AREB.
Support at tradethepool.com.
Where's AREB? A-Rod is just flushing right now. Is it halted down? That's a junk stock. Like that's major junk. Down 15%. They have bad news or something.
I'm thinking about CRML again, dude. I mean, it's on an algo trend right here. Well, that's the thing that sucks with it. SPRB halting down now. I mean, this thing is like untradeable, guys. There's,
CRML, dude. Oh my god, what the heck? That's just,
I'd rather trade the Anros of the world. Anro working out. Alerted that entry.
dude. That's something to hit it there though. But like, what the heck?
Yeah, Anro, if that one keeps working out, it's going to be pretty good. That one was Friday's big play. 750 held up as resistance. It's selling off right now, down toward the previous close.
CRML, I gotta take it one more time here.
Dude, it almost looks like it's going to squeeze up and halt or something.
It might, but I'm taking a small size and I'm fine with that. Fine with that risk. After a reclaim that strong on that bearish chart, it's like feels just like
I got to be kind of careful, dude. I feel like I'm getting a little tilted off of some of this action.
yeah, careful. I've noticed that on Mondays, you know, it can be choppy for us, like getting started for the week and stuff. Gotta be careful. So CRML, I'm in at 14. I put my stop at above 15 because I'm in really small. I'm kind of just giving that thing room to breathe. Like
All right, I like that. I'm gonna do it too.
SLNH, massive seller at 2, guys. 200K on the ask at 199, and it's just dumping.
That was your bread and butter today, man.
Wolf is still looking good for us bears. We just don't want to see any wiki wild back to 25 and hold and churn. Like pretty much Wolf, like we want to see it heavy above or under 25 now, in my opinion.
I'm in 4 right now. Wolf, GIPR, CRML, and ANRO.
Yeah, I'm in 3. I'm not in ARNO. I'm in the others.
ARBK, dude. This one I alerted in pre-market. This thing is just shot up and hit highs at 80 cents. Oh, man. Tune Wild Wiki West. Tune.
BENF is like the sleepy, cheap fade right now. It's interesting. Like they were trying to get that compliance. They just couldn't get it. Remember, it was like at 40, 50 cents where it started that run, or like 30 cents. 10 cents could be problematic there.
ARBK 110, guys. That's what I'm looking at. It's at 86 cents right now, squeezing up. It might get up towards that 110 resistance. That's the level that we need to watch. ARBK.
Blockchain up 100%. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I might have to slow scale this.
Just have that risk in mind. Like set yourself up for a
110.
cut. When you slow scale it, can be hard to like calculate your risk. So just kind of do that math in your head for your prior. CRML off 14, working out great. That was just too tempting. I mean,
It was. And I sized too small on it too.
all
But
that,
yeah,
that 15 level risk off of felt good. Wolf, a little bit of sellers lined up at 24 here.
I feel like I'm gonna have to take CRML off, dude. This is like nearly a point on it.
Yeah, I got a point profit on it right now too.
What are you thinking? Do you think it goes back to the lows or the open on the day?
I don't know. Well, VWAP is like, it's about to test VWAP, right? I kind of want to just hold it, but like after that strong reclaim, like it might kind of bounce around here.
It might halt down, dude. I don't know. I might leave that one on.
I like it. Maybe just take some off and move your stop to like the 14.2 or something in case it blows off where it just. I think I'm probably just gonna move my stop to break even at this point. Maybe take a little bit off and move the rest to break even, right? Something kind of like that. Because yeah, I mean that one's so like I don't see that thing getting a new highs. It should just sell off from here. But that was a weird reclaim it had. Like, very impressive reclaim. What a charge. See, that's the type of stuff. Imagine being convicted in the short, like I talked about. Like, I was tempted to hit it there at 10, 11. And now imagine a stubborn short that's overbiased and oversized. Like, they just gave it all up to that move back to 14, you know?
I guess I'm gonna take it off on a flush under 13. I mean,
Or leave a little bit, right? Like, take half off and then set your rest of your stop for like mid 13s or like 13.3 or something like that, right? Like,
yeah.
that would do. So I'm gonna put my stop. Let me get dialed in here on a small time frame.
All right, taking half off.
13.5 is a new level to risk off of. So I'm gonna take like a third off and put the rest of my stop at 13.5 because I'm pretty convicted in this thing.
Same.
So yeah, I'm gonna take. Let me see. I'm taking. I hit 100 shares. I'm taking 40 off, and my stop is gonna be 13.5 for the other 60 shares. And I'll adjust it from there. Okay. So secured the bag there. SLNH, it's like, do I want to take it? It's right here at a key level, man. This thing's heavy, boy. SLNH might be headed to 1.5, guys. I mean, this is like elevator galore. Good God. Let's go, dude. Anyone take
Yeah.
it right to me?
I wish I would have. 160 looks like a support level here on the daily. 160. I'm looking at SLNH. All right. Guys, how's everybody doing out there? There was that blackout event. You guys all right?
Yeah, what the hell happened?
Perfect fall. They figuring out your situation over there. ARBK pulling back off of 87.
Wolf Piglet 24 seller was a fraud. That wall just gone or something.
Yeah, Wolf trying to get a bounce here. Yeah, here's the chart on Wolf. I mean, we need it to not hold this level. This is the area. 24.
Locked you out of your eval. Was there a misprint? Did you try switching to your funded or like a different account? That's stupid. SLNH is 1.8 gonna crack, man. This thing came from freaking 40 cents. SLNH, huge seller at 1.9, guys. 226,000 shares, and it seems real. I might even look to cover if that wall gets chewed and reassess it, right?
SYTA's looking so heavy, man. 320's good. Fades, look at this, man. I don't know if we should miss this one. SYTA.
Okay, it's down 3% on the day.
It's looking so heavy. You see that yellow line here, 320. It's looking so heavy there. The problem is it's just a slow one. It's gonna be more of like a, probably few hour position there. But
SLNH, that 1.9 wall just disappeared. So I covered on my funded for now, secured the bag on that profit. So I didn't like that big wall getting chewed up here. That might be bottom for now.
Perfect fall. Let me know if nobody gets to you. I can see what I can do over there. Try to message somebody.
Wolf is giving a good key entry here, guys, off like the 24.3. Like, looking at the 5-minute chart, it is really kind of winding down here. If it can't get love back over that 24.3, look out below. Could be one to start sizing, guys.
Damn it, SYTA. God dang it. Why am I so hesitant with this one?
Just take a small size and put your stops, man, if you like it. I mean, SYTA, I keep flipping back for my funded, my eval, and my watch list is different. CRML is still working. Just leftovers there, chilling. Stop.
I think the hesitation is like some of these plays like GIPR, they just get spready with TTP, Like
Mhm.
there's a 1 or 2 cent spread, and then there's a 7-8 cent spread. So I'm like, what do I do in that situation? ARBK just hit 92 cents. I'm definitely going to be taking that over $1. ARBK, just FYI.
Okay.
That one, $1.10 major resistance. This is reminding me of D-Fly a little bit. The penny play, and it just like squeezes short down all the way to resistance.
Mm-hmm.
I'm honestly going to probably give it to 120 over under, but
I'm
just
sizing Wolf right now a bit. 24.5 and 25 something. Like over 25 and over 24.5, half and half on the stop there. See, yeah. So you're studying that King of the Day Arb. Okay.
SPRB. Yeah. SPRB is going to be a halt fest probably most of the day. It's going to be hard to trade that one.
CRML could be one to just work and fade from here off that move it just put in.
I still got that 1350s risk.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Pulled the VWAP, bouncing off of it.
God, ASNS, I'm gonna be so mad if I covered at the freaking top and it fades now. That's how it goes, guys.
Oh, that looked like it was right on the previous close too.
That was painful. It's like almost 200 something profit that didn't get secured and gave it all. It all just washed away. CRML, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Uzo, you're in SOPA. All right, SOPA. Wow. Okay, SOPA put in a. I was concerned they would do that with SOPA. They did do a liquidity sweep, like it tried a red to green attempt, failed it. It could be heavy against that. Dude, SOPA could definitely be heavy against that. Now that's already made that liquidity move.
Yeah. That looks heavy, guys. I like SOPA. It's kind of hard to get involved. The risk is going to have to be small because it's King of the Day. But, yeah, that's what you're saying. That big old sweep to 350 just wiped everyone out right now.
I gotta do it.
Sweep there. I think I might just wait another 10 cents.
I'm hitting it. Yeah.
Here, I'll just slam it into threes.
330s is going to be the risk for me.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll take a starter with you.
Working 5 right now. Green on all except SOPA. GIPR working out. ANRO working out. CRML doing fine.
SLNH, I got scared on one of my accounts and covered, but the other one I'm just sitting on it. That's also kind of the power of 2 accounts, right? It's like protecting myself in some, but still letting some ride in the other.
CRML stopped me out on leftovers. SOPA, I'm not going to be over convicted there because it is good earnings, but that liquidity sweep I certainly want to trade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we love those sweeps. That's like our textbook.
GIPR fades. I know you stopped out, and that one's spready. And it looks like it's going to fade today, though.
God, piece of shit. Yeah, I had my stop too tight. That's annoying. That's on me. I got too greedy. I sized it too big and put my stop too tight, and that's how you lose, guys. Like 9 times out of 10, that's how you're gonna lose. You're gonna get too greedy, right? You're gonna size up a little bit, and then you're gonna be emotional and put your stop very tight.
That's how I lost on my first CRML trade. I went too tight. Or God, why do we keep? I'm like speaking.
SLNH, that's a huge seller again, guys. I'm re-hitting it on my eval.
SLNH 190. Wow. Yeah, as soon as CRML, like I sized down, like you said, and gave it room, it worked out. You just got it. ONMD. ONMD.
Okay.
This is a penny play. It's up, dude. This is up nearly 100% off the close yesterday.
Okay.
Teams up with Palantir to supercharge AI and healthcare.
No, no, no,
You're
no.
like,
Baron,
okay,
please,
okay.
Baron,
Oh no.
check in.
Yeah.
Pulse check, Baron. You good?
You're like, okay, okay. Oh no, no, no.
God, in bed with the government. Jeez. Yeah. SLNH, guys. Elevator watch. That same thesis. So now there's a 400K wall at 1.94. It's like you can get involved there off 2, even off 195. There it goes. It's gone. The 1.8s are here. So I'm back in there on my funded, and I've been sitting on my Evo. ONMD top wick. I don't want to get reeled into that one, man. It's like I gotta choose my battles. I don't want to fight the government and fight Palantir. It's like, right? It's tempting, the FOMO and stuff, but
It is tempting, yes.
Sopo, yeah, Sopo is tricky, guys. I mean, it looked like liquidation, but at the same time, like,
Yeah, it's a tricky one with the good earnings. It is up quite a bit, but
okay, CRML, yeah, stopped me out on my leftovers as well. So that one's just not even making sense. I mean, and it's probably the top right there, but I don't know, man. That one's weird. Like, what a reclaim. Critical metals. I don't know, man. There's something funny there. Let me just stick to what's working. My SLNH, darling. This thing is such a beauty, guys. The sellers are pushing this thing. Is anyone trading this? Anyone watching this SLNH? I mean, this thing is heavy, boy. Like, there are
yeah, she's
massive
going.
sellers here.
Looks like she's going to pay you all day.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
ARBK kind of heavy off of 92 cents, but still just going to monitor that one.
Wolf is doing what we want it to, guys. You know, it could be like a sleepy fader from here.
SOPA 320 hit and resistance heavy on SOPA 320.
Sopo, yeah.
I may have to smack that again against 320.
Okay. I'll add a little bit of my eval with that perception.
Thinking about it or
How's
staying
it going,
small.
Paul? Did you get things figured out? That's crazy, dude. So as soon as I said something about all that volume and stuff, that's when you got kicked out? That was weird, bro.
Yeah, the level 2 went black on me.
On TTP?
Yeah. Yep.
Got you. That's weird.
Okay, SOPA, dude. I feel like it's on elevator watch, man. I kind of want to hit it again against the 320s, but I just don't know if that's going to be too tight.
Mm-hmm. I'm in off of 330s right now.
Same, yeah.
I think 334, 335, 336 should be a really good stop. Plenty of wiggle room.
I'm about to come out of Anro. That thing's
Woof.
not fading.
Freaking piglet, dude. This thing like traps and pumps. And I hate this ticker. I'm starting to hate this ticker, Wolf. To be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, Anro's curling up a bit. Wolf is not really cooperating at that. He's not cracking under that level. Yeah, Anro I'm out of. SOPA, I think I'm going to hit it again against like the 320s. Tighten it up a little bit.
Sopa's feeling heavy. Yeah. I'm tempted to take that on my eval now, or my funded now. It's right there, guys.
It's right on elevator watch.
Let's go, Uzo. Hammer it. Hammer it. You ready for the halt down dance?
I hope, dude. I haven't been able to get too much going.
Yeah, I had a good trade pre-market, but since Bell, it's been like break-even shop. SLNH paid me, but like all the other ones are just bullshitted me. So
Yeah.
ASTC guys, new backlist down 10%. ASTC. Let's see. What in the heck is that chart?
Come on, Sopa. You're on elevator watch. Let's get it. I'm gonna just sit like a 250 order out there on Sopa if we elevate it down. No,
Yeah,
more like
it's not a bad idea. Just make sure you never put your whole position to cover because in case
right.
it halts and you're not there or something, you'll get flagged for that rule. So that rule doesn't really make sense. We should be able to sell everything or buy everything after the halt. We just like I get the adding, but you should be able to like protect what you have immediately. Kind of weird.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sopa.
Nice.
Can we elevate her down further? Further. Stay heavy. Stay heavy. Stay heavy. Stay heavy. Stay heavy. I'm not taking anything off.
I'm think I might hit it on this halfway retrace on this candle on my funded guys. Looking for a 310 entry, like golden 308, 310. Come to Papa. Otherwise, stay heavy and we're fine. I got it. I'm heavy on my eval. And there we go. I'm gonna maybe smack this in the halt down, guys. I mean, I'm already in big, but
Oh!
let's go, dude. Let's go.
Who called that elevator watch?
Uzo. Good job, Uzo.
Who called the elevator? 270s. Let's see the 270s. 260s. Can we get 260? Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. All right. I'm on leftovers. I'm setting the adjusted stop.
Good work there, guys. Great work.
It felt like it, man. It felt like that elevator was there. Let's go, dude. I'm happy with that. Adjusting the stop to 3 on leftovers.
I'm gonna do 2.9. 2.95. Because I chased it a little bit more than you did. So. Yeah, I took half off 2.8. The rest at 2.95 off an entry of 3.12.
I'm still barely green though, because really I haven't had anything else to work.
You guys heard me say I kind of want to take it on my funded now. I saw that setup really revealing itself. I just was a little late to hit it, but I had 1,000 shares on my 50K, so I'm chilling.
Good work.
Yeah, great job, guys. Great job, Uzo. Good trade there.
And Fades has got the black screen of death. He'll be back in a little bit. IONR. Yep, DGen. I see it. I see it. I see it. Let's pull that up.
Kind of thing.
There you are.
SLNH, sweet darling, continues to work.
Yeah, all you need is one, right? Like,
Wolf, sore subject. Just got to sit smaller than I want to be there and just let.
Are you stopped out, or are you still kicking back there? Bro, can you hear me?
Did I lose you, bro?
Yeah, you blacked out. Yeah.
1 second.
So I'm working 3 right now, guys. Still in Wolf, SOPA, Leftovers, and GIPR. I'm still with GIPR. That's more of like an all-day kind of play, though. ONMD did hit some resistance at 2. I don't know. I don't know if we want to, I don't know if I'm going to short the Palantir news. They're teaming up. Is this just like a... Let me see what kind of... is chosen. The company disclosed that it has chosen Palantir Technologies to advance its healthcare AI and real world data analytics operations. So they're leveraging Palantir's analytics. Is that really like a partnership, or they're just I don't know. It's a multi-year partnership. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform. I guess they're utilizing it. It's going to connect to their network. I was just, you know how these companies do. It's like I'm partnering with whatever Chat GPT for AI integrations, and all they're doing is utilizing it. IONR degen. Yeah. I mean, it's halted up, right? IONR. I don't see any news there. It's energy lithium company. That's what it looks like. So yeah, that one's just getting IONR. Just in that sector, getting a spike. I got some 9 resistance left of the chart. SOPA still bleeding in the 270s. Excellent work there. I'm just kicking back with that. IONR halted up. Be mindful of that one. ONMD, certainly there's something there, but I don't know, man, with that news, if I'm going to get involved. ARBK, yes, SOB. I wanted $1.10 ARBK. She did give that 10 cents, so, man, 92 was the high there. Could be heavy now, ARBK. Kind of head and shoulders there and looking weak. Just going to flip through some tickers. SPRB lost volume. SOPA still heavy. SYTA, oh my God, why didn't I take that? 320s down to 280s. It's one of my favorite plays this morning. Just for some reason, couldn't execute on it. Couldn't press the button there. CRML hitting highs. And the one I do take just isn't doing anything. GIPR hangover. D-fly backside is interesting too. SPRB trying to get, some chat rooms probably jumping on it right here. Trying to get some continuation there. SOPA popping up to the 280s a little bit. I have like a $3 stop on leftovers there. Honestly, it feels backside. Like it almost feels like with SOPA, I should take it off and just start hitting it backside on the way down. Yeah, that's how SOPA's feeling to me right now. IONR, lots of resistance overhead on that one. We opened up IONR. This could be Wild Wiki West, so be careful here. Bounced off 720s. Could be Josh's his halt trading strategy out of the halt. Setting orders out for a little profit taking and bounce. So we could see that happening right now. Fades. What's going on?
All right, guys. Let's switch back to the computer. I think like if I stream from my phone or the iPad, especially at Bell, it helps me out. But once everything cools down a little bit, I don't get as much lag. So.
Gotcha. Yeah, your SLNH looking great. Still selling off.
Yeah, thankfully, because there's been a couple annoying ones today. But yeah, SLNH king of the day on backside watch list.
SOPA looks great for like just continual fade or hitting on pops.
Yeah, I got that thing sitting. I've got 500 shares just chilling and leftovers on my 50K. I wish I would have took that with you guys on my funded. I was scared. I was a scaredy cat.
It's been mainly the only one for me that I've traded that's worked, so I'm not really
I
setting much up.
I agree with you on SOPA. It might be time to just kind of work leftovers and kind of milk it, right? That 2.8 level was key, and it's kind of coming back above it. But if it can break down below 2.8 and hold heavy, look out below, kind of. Even like just above 3 is a good level to risk now. I might get involved a little bit on my funded, like smack just a small position here. Am I good to go with the funded on the volatility roll here? Like, can I start to chase it now? I think I,
IO and R heavy. Let me take a look. What's it been? 4 minutes?
I think I can
Yeah,
chase it.
it's been 4 minutes. Yeah.
I'm involved. I just took 300 shares so far on my funded.
What's your risk level?
My stop's going to be a little over 3.
Yeah.
So risking about 60, 70 bucks on this trade. And I'll size it, guys. Like, I'll scale this thing if it starts to get below 2.8 and just like start hyper scalping it. Like we said, I mean, if that's going to be the play right now to hyper scalp this thing on the way down,
Oh
SLN
my god.
continue to work.
ANRO stopped me out, and she's just hit 770, dropped down to 715.
Yeah, it's almost like if we just took tiny size on most of these plays that we liked, right? Like half of what
Yeah.
we even think is conservative.
Give them
right?
a lot of room. Yeah.
Mhm.
It's like, because now your consistency is going to go up quite a bit. I mean, if you do get one that doesn't work out, I've gone over this in my head so many times because I've done this. Like, my consistency is going to go up, but the times I lose, they're going to hit hard. It might take 5-6 green trades to make that up. One loss.
Mhm.
If I'm not sizing like into the winners.
So
I
bullish,
gotta
man.
I gotta think. ANRO. I gotta think if I'm gonna. Might give that 4 minutes and smack it.
Okay. It's like there's a lot going on. Kind of.
Kind of.
Hey,
ARBK. I really wish ARBK would have given the dollar. It hit 92 and it's been. I mean, maybe it's an entry here.
yeah, that's that golden 50% level off the death candle, but it's also on a baby trend on that lower level, right? So careful
Yeah.
there.
IONR is another one that was brought up in chat. I mean, it looks that one's there's some potential there.
Okay.
IONR.
Okay. And that's a fresh pump up 50%. Yeah. Okay. ONMD, of course, it gives it up with that good news. But I heard you saying when I stepped away, it's like it was kind of like a fluff news, right?
I don't know. It was a multi-year partnership with them. It could be fluff.
Okay.
Who knows?
Yeah. Ask AI real quick. Let me ask that chat short sell bot if it thinks it's a good short or not. Dude, that thing's crazy. We need to talk about that at some point. Like
Yeah.
this, like leveraging AI, it can't tell you like when to buy and sell, but like it can do a lot of work for us on like research and like data and stuff like that. Definitely something we should try to leverage going forward. SLNH guys, key level. I mean, if this thing gives up 1.8, who knows where we're going?
It's
I mean,
going
this
to
thing hit
1.6. 1.6 is support. That's where it's going. It really
Dude,
looks.
I was looking through like this theme is so funny. I was looking through some plays today on the Weeble, and there was like 3 or 4 different tickers that had like Solana in their name now. Like this one is Soluna. It's not even Solana. It's Soluna Holdings. Some other random ticker, some other random penny junk was like Solana something. It's just like,
Dude, it's crazy. They're trying to. You know what they're trying to do? Get those investors that
I
don't
know
know the
wave.
difference, right?
Riding that wave, exactly. Like whatever's hot. Just like how OTC, like in 2020, there was so much money to be made because all those junk stocks started talking about COVID stuff. The Chrono stock, the one that was like my big winner, like changed my life pretty much. It went from like 0.003 to like 50 cents in a month, just off like the COVID themed like pump, just playing that theme in the market and riding with it. And dude, I was in heavy and they announced a partnership with Kevin Harrington, the Shark Tank guy. And it just went on a tear for like a month straight. Yeah, it was insane, dude. It was insane. So yeah, it's like they're just
That
playing.
rarely happens, man. It's good.
No.
You picked the right one.
Yeah, that was 2020 OTC days degeneracy, and like I've been just short for years. Like 99.9% of the time, I'm short now. I mean, we love it, dude. Like we're dialed in.
Yeah. I felt really good this morning stepping in because I'm like I know I know, again, like I'm at a healthy state of mind trading when I know what I'm gonna do. Like even if I have
Mhm.
a red day, I'm fine. Like I know I have an edge here. I'm gonna take it, and my stops are gonna be good.
It's like you can
Um,
trust yourself, and you don't have that
Trusting yourself.
anxiety of like, God, today am I just going to lose it all? Am I going to blow my funded account
No,
today? Like,
yeah, absolutely
it's
not.
like having those thoughts in your head, like you cannot even be like, yeah, you can't even be anywhere in that realm, right? Like,
Yeah, exactly. There's not. It's not in the realm of possibility, really.
yeah, and it's like that's what happens when you respect risk management because it's like, if you trade right, the odds of you hitting a max loss day are pretty low, but it could happen. But if you do, it's fine because tomorrow's another day. And if we go back and look at how we've traded, together on stream the past couple of weeks, I mean, we've been doing good consistently. Like, we might have a bad day here and there, but funded payouts,
All
like
good.
things are
Yeah,
going.
you gotta try
Good.
not to think on like a day by day. That's where I have problems sometimes. I'm like, okay, because then you'll start sizing up and trying to make it back. It's like just take the small red day and
Hmm.
and move along. Think big picture.
Yeah. So Sopo is looking good for the continuation. It's just
Yeah, I
really
like that.
sleepy.
Okay.
SLNH, I'm hoping, fingers crossed for just a continued flush there. SLMT, I called that one out, guys. It's still creeping lower. It showed up on my backside watch list today. Um, let me see. How much room does that thing have? I mean, it came from $6 and it's at 22. What do you think about that chart? How do you like it? SLMT. What are your
If
thoughts?
I were trading it, I would trade it against the open right around like 24 and go small on it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't think it's too. It's like recent IPO.
It's got
It
200
doesn't
grams.
look like there's a lot of range because it pretty much sat yesterday right around its open.
Yeah, it's been basing there for a little. Yeah, it has.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, good observation. So that was actually when I looked through the 1 month gainers, and that you'll see that more. Like on the 1 month gainer list, some of them will have held their gains and have been really grindy. So yeah, it's a good example of that. Yeah.
Wolf. I don't really know what I'm gonna do there. I don't. I mean, I have the stop in place, but pretty much over 25s, I'm not liking. I mean, sitting right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I stopped out for half from my other stop. I gave it room at mid 25s. I
That's
mean,
where
if
I'm
it
at.
if
Yeah,
it climbs back through mid 25s, man, I'm just gonna take a decent L on that and move on, man.
move along. Yeah, good job. Good job with that though. Sopa looking great. IONR, DGen James. Yeah, 815 held up and it's been fading off of that. Yep.
Sopa is a perfect example of one of those where you can get real heavy now off like 2.9, and like either it works or you stop out and you can reassess it. Like that's kind of my opinion now. It's we
It's
had
like
two
an elevator watch again.
real
Yeah.
heavy here, right? Two death candles, real heavy here. Like it just elevated massively. Like longs are scared to death, and it can't get above 2.9. So it's like, what is my idea? Scale the hell out of it under 2.9 until it goes against me. So I have like a good bit of my stop above 2.92 right now, and then the other bit is at like above 3. But at this point, I might just have it all right there at 2.9 with that idea. And if it wakes me out, then I can chase it down, or if it reclaims, and I'll assess it, right?
Mm-hmm. Woofy.
SLNH is getting a little sketchy here. It could be bottom vibes. I'm gonna have to bring my stop somewhere here down, probably like 2-ish now. Don't even really want to be. Yes, I'm keeping that one on watch. Wolf, you piece of hate that stock, man. God, such an annoying stock.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Sopa elevator watch.
That thing could head down to honestly 230. I mean, still on earnings, it's up a lot, even at 230. Just allow the winners to work, guys. It's like if
Yeah, like SLNH and SOPA, I don't need to try to work anything else. If these are going to continue to fade for me, I can hyper scalp both of these all day long.
get
So like,
red on a few, just make sure the rigid with the stops on the red ones and let the green trades work.
sellers stepping up at 2.8 here, SOPA. Don't get too convicted, but it's looking good. Man, is that risk?
Your 2-9 call would have been perfect, dude, to smack this thing against that.
I did, yeah, I did. I added to it pretty good there.
Yeah, good call, man.
Like ride or ride out idea, reassess it, take that
Right.
paper cut. But it's like you had like a 5 cent spread to work with to get really aggressive and really size it there. Or not 5 cent spread. The spread was a penny, but like a 5 cent range. You know what I'm saying? SLNH. Yeah, I want to see it heavy, really above 1.9, 1.2, or 2. I think I'll be very conservative and put some stops at like above 1.9s and then above 2. I don't want to give my gains back there.
ARBK is climbing back up. It's in the 80s now. Dude, that thing could, again, watching it against ONMD climbing back up a little bit as well.
You guys also, wow, Emmanuel lost money on the glitch. Yeah, that's ridiculous, man. Max loss thing just happened to a lot of people. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not a good look, man. It's not good. Not good at all.
Well, I mean, they should invalidate those losses. I just don't know what.
They should make it right, but unfortunately, people are kind of stalled out on their progression.
Maybe because I noticed my P&L was kind of like up and down a little bit during that blackout.
Did you check your portal?
No. I meant just like the unrealized P&L. It was kind of like flickering around, but I didn't get liquidated.
Okay. Maybe I wonder if the volume like was wrong or something, or if it was like a delayed volume that wasn't true, so people got like liquidated or hit stops when they shouldn't have.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what happened? Interesting.
IONR heavy against 720. Yeah, Manuel, sorry about that.
SOPA kind of basing here. Not a huge fan of that. Again, like 2.9 idea now. There's a lot of sellers up into the 2.9, so I'll stop out there above 2.9 and see what's going to happen. If it wicks me out, I'll chase it back, smaller size, or like I said, if it reclaims, then I'll reassess. I might break a little stop up above 3 though, because that's really tight at that 2.9. I could see them wicking it real quick there. So probably size down again a little bit, and with that in mind.
Yeah.
Can always just re-smack it real quick. Better to protect my profit, protect my position. So keeping a good eye on that one here. Kind of hyper scalping at this point. Besides that, let's see what the scanner's looking like. Yeah, guys, just no matter what, just don't get tilted. Don't let that tilt you. Like hop on a different account or like take a break. Like because
what did they say, Emmanuel?
It can definitely get you tilted.
It definitely can.
Get you against your psychology going and stuff. I've been there and done that a lot. CRML, it's like I'm tempted to not throw in the towel, but what the heck? I don't know, dude. Yeah. I don't know. It's kind of grindy. Wolf, the absolute piglet. Yeah, main focus is just SOPA and SLNH because they're both kind of been working. So those are our winners that we're trying to continue to work.
Right.
They have room, They both have a lot of room. And then Wolf, I'm close to stopping out of that. So those are my 3 plays right now. RBK, you've been kind of stalking that one a little bit. And ONMD is getting that. It's getting love again, back at 2. SPRB, keep an eye on that. They might let us short that eventually. We can't. We still can't as of now, which is pretty rare. And if we go ahead and message them, they might work on that since everyone got screwed today, right? Maybe they'll promptly fix that at least. That could be a dangerous trade today for Bulls, though. It's Monday, or for Bears. Yeah, that thing would have annihilated some Bears today, I'm sure. We probably would have took a few paper cuts or more on it. Sopa working, guys. Another fade back down. Elevator watch for Sopa here. I'm going to start really dialing into this trade. I'm in pretty big here on both accounts.
Good job focusing like the trade that's working out, by the way. You're doing a good job of that.
I have to, man. I've been around for too long to keep giving back to these bad setups, dude. Like,
Yeah, like you're just doing good at not like focusing Woof or any of the other tickers.
yeah, I think speaking of that, looks like I'm about to stop on Wolf. That piece.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I may stop out too. I still got the GIPR going, but I'm
Nice.
falling out of love. Well, it's not working. I mean, it's sitting at my average.
Oh yeah, I just came back to 1.6. Yeah, that's annoying.
I don't know what I'm gonna do there.
Check is another one that we've forgotten about, but that's valid backside play. CHEK. We did like that trade. It's baby red today. JFB is another one that I'm also watching.
IONR might be giving sloppy seconds.
SYTA trade. Are you working that one? Is that giving sloppies?
IONR, it may be a sloppy entry here, like against 780s.
Okay.
I like it. I mean, if we get a pop against those 780s.
Up 50%. The news is loading. If Weeble has the news.
That's what their news says. We're still loading our news.
I don't even think it's news. It's like showed up a whole different thing.
Yeah, I don't think there's any news on it. I don't know, dude. I'm getting
SYT. Do you think that's entering like a sloppy level?
Perhaps, yeah. 320 is the risk there. So,
okay,
whatever gets you in around that risk level, you'd have to size according to that.
Yeah, there goes Sopa getting a little rowdy. I just covered a little bit. I might spike up here.
You're right, though. SYTA given an entry here. I'm trying not to get tilted because it's like I haven't really had anything other than Sopa. This has been it.
Yeah, then Sopa might reclaim right here. It's getting a little rowdy. Careful.
IONR, maybe. I'm very interested in it here. 750s would be pretty good against 8. I mean, I don't know if it's even going to get up there, though, you know.
So I'm putting half of my stop is now at 296, other half 306 for Sopa. It looks like it might come back now. Are you out in that, or are you in that? Or?
My leftover stop's 3.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of reclaiming just a little bit. So, all right. What were you saying before that one? Which ticker?
IONR, I'm tempted on a position there. Sloppy seconds. If it doesn't get any volume on it, it's just going to get smacked and stay heavy there.
Mm-hmm.
And then outside of that, I did like your SYTA call. That is maybe giving a decent entry.
See, IONR is tempting there. And then the SYTA also could be something. See if Sopa how it reacts at this 3 level. That's going to be key. And then SLNH is still sleepy. Still pretty heavy, I guess. Yeah, it feels like nothing's really screaming at the same time, though. It's kind of slower so far.
It could be tighter with IONR. Here's the risk level I'm seeing with it. It's got like even the 730s risk. The theme of the day so far seems to be like size down and give it room.
Mm-hmm.
Because we are seeing a little extra chop out there. ONMD just put in nearly a 220 wick. Again, they got that Palantir news, but nearly a 220 wick. They just went high a day. And now heavy against this line here, too.
Huh.
It's a maybe. It's tough short in that news, you know.
Yeah,
Palantir partnership.
it really is. Yeah, it's not like the biggest. Doesn't seem like the greatest idea, but yeah, I mean, it could be that fluff too. Like, yeah, ask the chat. Let me ask the bot what they think. If I can find it.
Doesn't seem like the greatest idea. That's funny.
Let me ask the short seller bot what they think.
The one hangover I didn't take.
I sent you a link to that thing that me and my buddy made. The short signal.
Yeah, I saw that. That was good.
Veteran market analysis, spotting 24-hour downturn risks for shorting. I'm going to ask him, what are your thoughts on, which ticker was it? The one that had the Palantir?
ONMD, which is shooting up right now. I'm kind of getting interested now on a short here.
All right, I just asked it, what are your thoughts on ONMD stock to short? Let's see what it says. Here's a short seller's perspective. Based on what I found, this is not a recommendation, but a risk-reward sketch. Use your own due diligence. Low short interest, days to cover, fragile fundamentals, small scale, volatility and speculative news, listing and regulatory risk history. What works against a short?
Damn it!
Like, dude, they give you so much stuff. Like, this is
I was about to hit it.
crazy. What happened? Did it work? Did it dump?
It's dumping right now.
It just told us
205.
that it's a good short. It basically confirmed that it's probably a good short.
Yeah, the fundamentals are not great.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. It's like a DD bot for you, pretty much. There's a massive gap at 110, guys. I like this trade. Wait, let me see here. Did we just top wick?
I don't know how to get involved here. Okay, I'm just going to do it. Let me see.
Smaller size than you want. Yeah, I like that elevator, guys.
All right, I'll take it.
I'm taking it on the eval to start, and then I might end up taking on my funded.
I mean,
Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful.
let me think. Let me think here what the idea is.
SOPA had a little recovery, but it hasn't, didn't really do too much, though.
It's got a clear kind of trend going on with it right now. I love that, the heaviness on that snap right there.
Mm-hmm.
This is the trend it's on. I mean, it's down towards like 180s. Is interesting. But look at this 5-minute chart. This 5-minute chart.
Wow, look at that wick it just put in.
This 5-minute chart's revealing. Yep. Oh, ouch. Ouchie.
Jeez.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, the Bulls are not looking. The Bulls don't have a bot that's telling them the truth. They just see Palantir and they buy it. That's the problem, right? And therein lies the problem. It's like the fluff news sells because Bulls just buy it up. They don't have time to read it. They're just chasing the FOMO.
I kind of chased that one down, too, so that's kind of hurting.
Yeah, I took a decent L there. SOPA is, what's it going to do here? It's interesting.
Well, I still like ONMD perhaps against like 250. I think
Just careful with it, man. Careful. That was a massive short squeeze reclaim, dude.
Yeah, it was.
Careful. Just careful. It needs to really confirm for us after that.
and look at it dumping
With
now.
an H, I covered
Kinda.
that in both accounts.
220 it just hit. I mean, I could give it the 220. I'm liking 250, but it may hold this level, like 204.5.
Mm-hmm.
I certainly don't want to fight it. It's the wild Wiki West out here, dude. I don't know.
God, end up in the SLNH long. Oh my God, I'm out. SOPA is real. I like SOPA here, guys. To continue working, and I feel like, honestly. Yeah, just don't tunnel in too much to ONMD. I mean, that
Yeah.
220 could be golden right there, but it's just that was such a brutal reclaim. I don't know, man.
I was thinking about just hitting it again and then giving it to like over 220, but it feels like it's going to pull there. I like the 250s, but that's kind of applying too much risk for me on it.
SOPA or ONMD big seller at 216. I might take one more stab and put my stop above that. It's probably going to clear it though, to be honest. I stabbed it one more time, dude. 221 stop on the eval. There's a huge seller at 213, but it might be fake. See, they're probably gonna blow through it right now. Yep, let's see it. It's getting bought up. No, it's selling off. Yeah, just if you guys are trading this thing, size it super small and do not tunnel. Like you take a couple paper cuts on it, walk away. Like this is the type of stock that'll blow your account up. You get stubborn on it, you get too greedy. Like just be very cautious, guys.
All right. On that note, I'm going to give it the 220 stop.
Yeah.
And
Mine's I got a 221 stop because I did see a big wall there, and we like that 221 level we called for. So I'll give it that, but I'm not going to give it any more.
Man, my hit on it looks terrible, though. I hit it at 194. Dude, I looked heavy. It like put in the move, dropped.
I got stopped out on my first entry, but thankfully I took a small share size. But yeah, my first entry was horrible. It's squeezed like right afterwards. Annoying.
I just can't get it going today too much, and nothing's really.
Yeah, and then when it's like that, bro, just switch to the eval, right? Like, if there's no sense in trying to force it on your funded on a day when things aren't really working out.
Yeah, if I'm in 4. If they don't work, I'm gonna be done.
Mm-hmm.
SOPA's even trying for the 3 now.
I do like it off like 3 or even like 311. Well, let's see though. I mean, this market is wiki. Like we've seen like the stupid reclaims today where it's just like a short's nightmare, right? The price action doesn't make sense.
Yeah, so, SOPA fully out of that one.
SOPA, yeah, if this SOPA reclaims like the same way, which it damn near is right now, I'm gonna have to walk away because, yeah.
Yep.
ONMD off that 221 could be good, but I don't know, man. I think that reclaim again was just brutal as well. So
yeah, James, ARBK is pretty good. I like it. I like that one still. Woof, I'm out of that one, and that one just took me out.
Yeah, it's ridiculous, dude. It's an annoying day so far.
Thinking about hitting ONMD like a little bit more against 220s. I don't know.
I think I'll like work SOPA off 311, like maybe 3.2, but if that doesn't work out, I'm definitely just gonna call it.
Oh my God! Please tell me I got a decent exit on ONMD. Jesus,
yeah, that thing's brutal, dude.
Oh my God! I just got 222. It took me out of.
Yeah.
And I stopped out of the other one too.
Yeah, dude, the Bulls are in town. It's not working out for us today. There's not much follow through.
Wolf, Sopa leftovers, and yeah, Sopa's really my only green trade. And I only
Hmm.
took half off on it, and then leftovers didn't work. So
Even SLNH reclaim a little bit there. I mean, that thing could still be like that. Could be the time to get back involved. SLNH. Oh, it did just get hit. Damn. That thing's got room. I might just work that thing because it's been my best winner. Off that 207 and just put in. Let me see. That was a huge sell, dude. What the heck? I think that's going to be my idea, man. Like if those don't continue to work, nothing else is really working.
you're gonna hit SLNH again.
I'll try it off that 207, and then I'm gonna give, I'll call it quits after that. Probably. Sopa off 311, 310, 320 is interesting. It stays
ARBK just put in a new high and pulled back off of that. It's just like this is the action of today, man. Like ARBK as well. It's like very choppy. Like you get these sell-offs, no continuation, pop right back up, fake out, breakout, back down.
That's when it's like trader maturity to realize this is the day to hit the brakes, to size small, or to just walk away or take a break. And like that, you can have that awareness when you're following your plan and you're not oversizing and over risking that. But you can't, you don't have that awareness if you're too aggressive because all of a sudden you're on tilt before you know it.
ONMD's at the 250s. So I mean, like, good stops today, I guess, but whatever.
Yeah,
I'm not
yeah,
blowing
very
up.
good. Yeah, we had discipline today. We set ourselves up for paper cuts. And, I'm liking SLNH. And then Sopa, as long as Sopa stays heavy around 3 and then trickles down, it's fine. But this reclaim theme has not been fun today.
Is ONMD halting? 250 is an interesting level here. It's selected Palantir technologies to advance its healthcare AI.
Right? Same, bro. That's about how this morning, just a long sigh. Had a little follow through in a couple plays, but like
It's all good because when we get like the winners where we get continuation, like it's a good green day, you know.
yeah, exactly.
It's a good green day. Just DFLI maybe. I mean, I'm trying to see if there's like a sleepy fade or just a take. DFLI could be one of those.
Soggy Peter.
Soggy Peter.
You want a sleepy fader? There's a sleepy fade. Soggy Peter.
Wow, Pally's hitting highs. Everything is like green, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, not much. SLNH was the king of the backside of the list. Besides that, nothing else is really fading, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously. Sopa, I still like Sopa, guys. Like, I would say just stick with that until it gets back over like 315, 320. There's a lot of resistance there between 310 and 320. So that thing could continue to give it up. It's still up 110%, so that could be another meaty short.
Look at this. This is a great entry. Look at the 5 minute here. I may take it here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in it. Yeah, I've been in it.
All right,
I'm a fan of that reclaim, but
it's my last trade. I'm gonna take it. If it doesn't work, I'm done.
Yeah, that's kind of how I am too. To be honest with you, bro, that's like about exactly how I feel. I'm just gonna let SOPA and SLNH continue to work because those are the trades that have been working, and hopefully that trend continues. And if it doesn't, I'm just gonna throw in the towel for now and come back at after hours because it's just kind of a weird day. The Bulls are just having a field day. All these reclaims, like the CRML reclaim and hold, is just disgusting. Like what? Like, what is that? How have you guys done today? What's been your biggest headache besides the trade the pool thing?
Sopa popping up here a little bit.
Yeah, this is just annoying, dude.
I can't. Oh man, I need to just throw in the towel. I'm getting annoyed. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Yep,
Look at
towel's thrown in. Towel is thrown in. I'm done.
Unreal, dude.
All right, I'm done on the day. I'm getting aggravated. Yeah, let's take a poll. I mean, is anybody out there green? I'm certainly not. Start a poll.
How annoying, dude. God, this reclaim theme is so ridiculous, bro. So ridiculous. God.
Yeah, I'm down. Not too bad. 113, which I haven't gotten anything working other than the SOPA. Nothing working. So these are the days that can be bad for me though, because I'm like trying to force trades to work.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
I mean,
I
we
need
just
to
gotta
walk
let
away.
know that, like, if the conditions,
I gotta walk.
it's like when we get in the water and it doesn't feel good, it's like ice cold. We don't need to stay in it. We can just come back the next day when it feels a little better. Like, it's so good.
This IONR is kind of in a descending triangle pattern here. IONR.
Okay.
I like the setup. Not up a ton, but no news there. Emmanuel Green.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah.
Good work.
It does look like a decent setup. It's also
ONMD still higher. So, I mean, good stops. ARBK, I would have to take that at $1.20 if that got up there, but so far it hasn't.
Yeah, I mean, we're just exercising discipline, Like, we know that we're going to have losses. Like, it's like we just got to embrace those losses and not get overwhelmed, like, not just let it wreck us, essentially.
Yeah, just kick back and not get tilted. CIGL we mentioned in pre-market. That one's kind of heavy against 4.
CIGL. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Against 4.
That's down 6%. Nothing. Yeah, none of the backside plays really gave it up, except SLNH was good, but like that was the one good thing. Everything else was just like wiki and manipulative and brutal, really. So, thankfully I had a great start to the morning, which built me a cushion. But I've given that all back with all this, all this chop. I was up a couple hundred and gave that back. So now, again, it's like giving back that green. But
Yeah.
usually I shoot for more than a couple hundred a day, so I wasn't like, okay, I'm gonna stop at $100 profit. The day was just getting started, so. But
Yeah,
now,
CRML was good for you. That was a good pre-market play. Good job.
Yeah, so that was nice to start the day, but
And that thing's held up, dude. It popped and just been holding up.
I know, I don't understand it. Really don't. It's so weird. I don't understand this SOPA reclaim either. I don't understand a lot of this stuff, which is why it's like we should probably walk away. This afternoon, things will be completely different. Like, you have the discipline to walk away before you let the red day get away. You can come back and like reclaim green later on in the afternoon, especially as a short.
KD, you've been waiting for 1460s to short CRML. It's got this like steady uptrend that's actually started to put in.
Unbelievable. I don't know what the news was on that though. I didn't even read it, so it might have had some substantial news. I just saw the chart as bearish, and I'm just trading price action. I wake up and see that chart, I'm gonna get involved. Just scalping it. Micro
Critical
scalp.
shares, they're rallying with a $35 million investment to help develop Greenland rare earth
SOPA.
deposits.
Here goes SOPA on elevator watch, guys. What's it gonna do with this 3 level? Is this a
Oh,
dip or is it?
God. Did it just take us out to
Pretty much is what it's looking like. I mean, it's still kind of
320?
on its trend, but from 320 back to 3 and now under. Let's see if 3 holds there. My stop was wider on my 50K, but I did stop out on my funded, unfortunately.
Dang it, dude. That one's aggravating. Yeah. This is like a day that will throw me in tilt mode at least.
Oh yeah,
Especially when they work right after.
yeah, I feel that too. That's why I'm hitting the brakes on my funded and just kind of vibe it out with the eval from here because it's just not our day right now. You know. Oh damn! It was a Trump play. Jeez. This is why we got to study the news because even some of these plays we catch or have the Trump like
Yeah, you
just
could have.
Barron got squeezed. Barron got squeezed after hours because he started shorting that play, but he didn't see the Trump news, and I didn't know about that Trump news either. I would have considered that reclaim a little differently, you know. Yeah, gotta at least like just read the headline. Unfortunately, sometimes you get
1,
burned.
2, 3, 4, 5.
SLNH off 207 is still holding, guys, but it's been a weird day. So.
Yeah, I was.
I mean, even like 220 if you want to give it less rest and just like ride it out. That thing is looking really good for like the bigger picture fade.
SLNH against 220s.
Yeah, even like 210, 220, 215. Like that top wick at 207. Let's see though. Let's see. It's been a reclaim theme. Like here it goes. It's right above VWAP right now, so you gotta be careful. Like it's trying to claim that VWAP. SOPA trying to decide what's it gonna do at $3. I'm just working both of these in my eval, and then if they go against me this time, I'm definitely gonna be stepping away.
Looking Uzo for ONMD for 3 tests. And now just put in that upper wick to 284. Kind of heavy there, but yeah, I'm tomorrow's gonna be a.
I think wicked us out twice on brutal stops. Like we gotta respect that and just kind of walk away, in my opinion.
ARBK triple topping up there at 90 cents. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, man.
I'm there with you, dude. It's yeah. I'm just gonna let these positions work, and then if they go against me this time, I'll be take a break, hit the gym, and come back for after hours. Come back at like 2-3 o'clock and reassess everything.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. Yeah, ARBK could fade today. Watch that, guys. Even against the 90 level, it feels on elevator watch too. ARBK, ONMD, of course, where all the hype and volume is. And then SPRB, if we can get that listed at TTP, that may be a decent play for tomorrow.
Yeah, there'll definitely be a lot of stuff setting up tomorrow, guys. Monday morning can tend to be choppy for us bears, and our hangover bread and butter. So that's kind of what I've noticed. Like,
Yeah.
Something to be aware of going forward.
Yeah, what I'm trying to work on right now is not being aggressive in recovery mode. I want to get more aggressive on when things are working for me. Not
And it
right
really
now.
helps. Yeah, it really helps when we're both like seeing that together. Like we're the awareness, right? And you guys as well. Like you guys see me and Kevin struggling. Like you guys are probably struggling with your shorts too. And like we just have to live to trade another day, right? I mean, at the end of the day, it's like protect that capital. Or like I said, if you can't throw in the towel, if you're not there yet where you're just like, I'm going to walk away, then either get on an eval or go really small size on the eval too if you do, if you're not going to walk away. Or go trade paper at that point, But yeah.
Yeah, agreed. All right, guys. I'm gonna put some of these on the watch list for tomorrow and get the action going tomorrow and start, on a
Yeah.
green day, start pushing that gas. But today I'm gonna try to. This is really one of my bigger struggles. I mean, SOPA's fading from here, and this kind of thing puts me on tilt a lot. Like
Yeah.
stopping out on that pop, and
Now it's weak.
now it's weak. I'm thinking about, like you said, I'm getting on the eval, and I may smack it there.
Yeah, see, I'm done on my funded and I'm mad. I'm a little tilted, but I'm still in it on my eval. And now I'm green again. So it's like,
Yeah,
you know.
it is. Yeah, you did that well.
SLNH still watching that one. Yeah, so I'm just working those two guys. And if I see something scream before I decide to get off, and okay. But yeah, it's feeling like one of those days. Just stay positive, guys. You know, not every day can be a green day. Inevitably, we have to know that we're going to take those losses. Like my success rate is below 50%, but my risk reward is like 2-1. So I know a lot of I'm going to take a lot of L's
That's
every
good,
single day. But it's like those winners are going to come like we talk about. It's just going to be a big wave of green that will overflow.
That's really good, man. That's really good. You let your winners work. Mine's been like 1-1. It's not been too great. Working on it. Consistency is like 58%, so that's why it's like
That's
that
good.
1-1. I have that 8% edge, but
Mhm.
I'm taking the leftovers have been stopping me out quite a bit. That's why
Yeah, man. The
I haven't.
refunds.
That's why I can't get that 1-1 off
Yeah.
off of the one. But yeah, good work. We'll do it again tomorrow. I'll be on here until TTP at 10 o'clock, and so we'll get some good green trades going. But good work, good job on the discipline. So that's a green day in my book if we're process oriented, right? Just stepping away when it's not happening. Like I said, I felt good today, and still feel good, because I know what I'm going to do regardless of what the market does.
Mm-hmm.
Just more
Yeah.
annoyed that nothing was working. But
Yeah. Right.
all right, man, we'll get
Yeah,
off
bro.
of here, guys. Take care. We'll see you in the morning.